Yeah, so we gotta somehow find a way to get the cat to the door without her freaking out.
Oh man, I didn't think of that. Yeah, we cleaned her. She looks nice and clean. But you're about to get really wet, girl.
Well, I'm gonna put my jacket on and hopefully that'll keep her protected.
Are you ready? Are you ready to be a Canadian Sphynx inside Canadian Tire?
Canadian sweater.
Oh, that's the best part, guys. We didn't even tell you. All right, so let's take this mouse in Canadian Tire and hope she doesn't get soggy along the way, guys.
Soggy?
Yeah.
Soggy?
See you in a few seconds. Yeah, go for it. She's very,
That's the trick.
she's friendly. She just does, you know, kind of a cat, doesn't really care.
Yeah. Just like,
Yeah.
I did my own thing. Always wanted a
Obviously.
hairless cat.
Yeah, we figured we'd bring a Canadian Sphynx to Canadian Tire and a Canada.
Gotcha.
That was the thing.
Could do all four of that. Oh my goodness. I'm freaking out. They're so cute. No, get one. They're
Oh yeah, no, we won't wear
Yeah.
them.
They have a crazy personality and character. We're getting some paint.
Gotta paint the house
Oh.
apparently.
Did you give it a new coat?
Yeah, right.
You need one, yeah.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
I used to have one of these cats. They're like the coolest.
Aren't they ever? It's unreal.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Yep. Going back to automotive, apparently.
Why does she look automotive
I
so
have no
much?
idea. She doesn't even know a car. You don't even have a car.
Forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
And Rues just really intrigued with the ring. Hey, how's it going? Oh, just looking right now. So, okay.
That's attracted a lot of attention.
Oh, are they?
Talking about.
Oh no, sorry.
No, it's okay.
I was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky. When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder.
Oh, look at that. All right, guys, well, that was our trip to Canadian Tire. We're just on our way out, waiting to get to the car. I think Rue had a good time, so thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you like this content, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, think of subscribing, guys. And as usual, thanks for watching.